how to add custom notification sounds on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to add custom notification sounds on Android for any of the apps you have, what you can simply do is just make a long press on any of the apps. So I'm going to select on the Instagram over here and then tap on app info. As I tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page. So just scroll down and tap on the option of notifications. As I tap on notifications, scroll down over here and here you can see the option of other. So just tap on other and here you can see the option of sound. So just tap on sound and it will take us to a new page where you can select the ringtones or select the sounds for your notifications from your local ringtone or pre-installed ringtones. You can select whichever you want and then you'll be able to add your custom notification sounds on Android for each different app. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.